When using APL64 as a developer, the APL64 programmer-defined functions in the current Workspace functions can be searched for specified text using the Find in Functions in Workspace utility. The Find in Functions in Workspace utility dialog is made visible using the Edit, Find in Functions in Workspace menu item. In this example, the APL64 Dates utility workspace has been loaded. The Find in Functions in Workspace utility dialog has been opened. The APL64 programmer has entered the target text in the Find tool in the upper right corner of the utility. The occurrences of the APL64 assignment glyph have been located in the functions in the current workspace. The functions which contain the target text have been identified by the utility. The identified functions are listed in function name order. The first identified function, database, in the list is currently selected. The definition of the selected function is illustrated in the details element below the function name in the list. The Find in Functions in Workspace dialog is not modal. Once the dialog is opened by the APL64 programmer, it will remain open until the APL64 developer version instance is ended. The programmer closes the dialog or the programmer changes the history pane format. The target text to find field in the dialog is a combo box which supports manual entry of text or user selected of previously entered target texts. When the target text is manually entered or modified, the list of functions identified as containing the target text will be automatically updated. When the target text is selected from the combo box list, the list of functions identified as containing the target text will be automatically updated. Since the text to find field is within a combo box, the list of previously entered text to find values are present. Search filters may be user selected to customize the matches. Click the Match Case toggle button to select case-sensitive or case-insensitive matching. Search filters may be user selected to customize the matches. Click the Match Type toggle button to select one of three match type options. Match substrings. Match whole words. Match APL64 tokens. Search filters may be user selected to customize the matches. Click the Target Text Type toggle button to select one of the available types. Plain text. Regex expression. Wildcard expression. The function list in the dialog illustrates identified function name, last fixed date and number of matches of the target text contained in the function. The column headings in the list may be clicked to sort the list. When the target text or search filters are modified, the list is automatically updated. If functions are added or deleted from the workspace, the list is not automatically updated. Instead, click the Find Text in Functions in Workspace button to update the list for the added or deleted functions in the workspace. If a function is being edited, but has not been saved, the state of this edited function is not reflected in the list. Locked functions are not included in the list. If all functions, rather than functions with matches, are to be included in the list, click the Include Functions Without Matches checkbox. When a function name is selected in the list, a subordinate details section of the list for that function will display the function line numbers and function text. The function text in the details section is read-only. To edit a function in the list, double left mouse click the function name in the list. When keyboard focus is in the function editor, the Find Replace tool may be used there. While the Find Replace tool is used in an editor, it is temporarily removed from the Find in Functions in Workspace dialog. When the keyboard focus is returned to the Find in Functions in Workspace dialog, the Find tool will be available there. The totals information illustrates the number of functions in the workspace in which a match was found and the number of matches in all of the functions in the list. The totals information will be updated as the function list is updated while searches are occurring. Click the Find Text in Functions in Workspace button to update the list when functions are added to or removed from the workspace. Click the Include Functions Without Matches checkbox to include functions without matched in the list. Checking or unchecking this checkbox will automatically update the list. Click the Close button to close the dialog. Click the Show Function Definitions for Selected Rows checkbox to show or hide the subordinate details section for the selected functions in the list. Checking or unchecking this checkbox will refresh the function list. Multiple functions may be selected in the list. Thank you for viewing this video. If you have questions or comments, please contact support@apl2000.com.